Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to import a ClosetPro file into VORTEK Spaces. We'll show you how to quickly export your ClosetPro designs so they're ready for the preparation stage before your client presentation. To export your project in ClosetPro, click on View in 3D, then click the Download GLB button. At this point, you're ready to bring your project into VORTEK Spaces. Click on Add New Project. Browse to the folder where your ClosetPro project is saved. Select the GLB you exported earlier, then click Open. In the Project Properties window, you can rename your project or keep the same name as the original GLB file. Click Save to confirm. Your project is now ready to be transformed with real-time visualization. Check out the other tutorials to learn how to apply materials, add 3D accessories, adjust the lighting, and finally render photorealistic pictures and walkthrough videos. Here's a tip. If you need to make changes to your ClosetPro project, there's no need to start over in VORTEK Spaces. Simply update your design in ClosetPro, then download your file again with the Download GLB button, then save it as the same name in the same location. This will overwrite the existing GLB file. VORTEK Spaces will automatically detect the changes and update your design while keeping all your materials, lighting, and scene customizations intact. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.